I will talk about how can you disable replace the comments on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on profile, click on it here. Then you come to your profile. Then all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then you come to settings list here, just go down here. Then you click here on activity filter, click on it here. Then come to this list here, you go down, come here to replace your comments, click in this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me replace the comments disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.